Hello everybody, this is Sai from Pro Beat Gamer 200 to help you survival simple. So this is the first one. First hack for beginners. First find a small place to stay. If you're out in the open, well, your way might be like this head or that head. So which one would you like to be? Anyway, who wants to be a head? Well, find a place to stay, make it deep enough, get wood, build doors. To build doors you just need normal wood like this. Let me just get some wood. No, let me take some more. Well, I'm using 0.12.1 version, but I don't know about you, but so still, let's just see. Take like this. You can build a door just by getting wood. Also, you can just get sticks like this. Sticks. Then you need to make pickaxe. Let me show you how to make a pickaxe. Where's a pickaxe? Yeah. Wait, where's a pickaxe? Oh, you need more wood. I'll just go one. Like that, you can just make a pickaxe and all. Well, if you make a pickaxe, you can get coal from it. Not only you can get coal from it, and not only coal, you can get other awesome things like stone, cobblestone, and you can use in cobblestone for making stuff. And after you use cobblestone and all, you can make things, and then you can mine cobblestone. Then you can get iron by getting iron ore. You get iron ore by in the mine shafts, and then you put it over here, put it for melting. It melts, and then you get iron ignits like these. Well, after that, you can make stuff. Let me show you stuff like. Let me take two. You can make stuff like this, like iron bars, chest plate thing, and like this, lot of stuff like that. What? Look at this beautiful thing. Look at this beautiful iron sword. Anyway. And there are some more new features in Minecraft, like you have health bar up. So I'm quite hungry. Yummy. What pork chop. Well, you see, I'm a talented chef also. Well, thank you for watching Simple Hacks. Like, leave comments. I'll see if I can make more. And then if you like it more, I'll make some more. Thank you.